boys. Somebody bring the other rods in. Or if you want a video, I will. The other one first.
Is that cup still out?
Nope. I gave up on it. Hold this, please.
That would be awesome.
No, it could be a, believe me, it could be a shark. Okay, I'll take that. Grab the other one. Thank you, buddy. Oh, we got you good. Ready? Perk up. Go up. You'll live. You're tough. You're like a shark fisherman now. Oh, I should have videotaped it. Grab the other rod, quick.
You got a shark tooth? No.
Hey, it was your turn today. I usually do that. You okay, Zach? That's a nice fish, guys. Nice fish.
There we go. 3 of them. 3 big fish.
Is it a shark or a tarpon?
No, I think it's a shark.
Walk around out of the way. Don't worry, you'll live. You just like it. Look, take it and suck its blood out of it. You'll be fine.
Reel. Do you not know how to reel?
It will go.
Jesus.
Hold this, please.
Good God.
What happened?
Oh no, I'm talking about his reeling skills.
Suck the blood out.
Holy. Fat jack.
Grab a bottle of water and pour water over it.
It's only,
I don't care about how we heard.
your buddy here would be trying. Oh, did I say that out loud? Alright, you got Who's got the camera?
It's over here.
Oh,
is it
in the
recording?
space.
I didn't know who was recording that.
Yeah, it's okay to do that now since we're... That's a big fish, man. Ooh, look at that big swirl out there. That's a big fish, guys. Let me just check it real quick.
Trust me, this thing's big.
It is pretty big.
That
Reel,
wasn't
reel,
my
reel.
question. You probably will.
Don't worry about it.
No, I'm just asking. I mean, it's his
You're doing
turn.
great. Keep it up,
Fat.
keep it up. You could put your hand up here too, that would help, might help. I just want to see him take off
This
again.
thing's really
Take all
fat.
the line again.
That's right. Don't, because if we got to run quickly,
Yeah,
like
Zach,
this.
coming this way.
don't want you in the way of you runs and that only gets up to you.
You're doing great, buddy.
Come on, Luca.
I don't care what Zach says about you.
Oh my gosh.
Don't cry.
Yeah, it's
Come on,
big.
Zach, you can
I
do
don't
it.
think it's a tarpon.
Doesn't feel like the yellow. Doesn't feel like the lemon.
It could be a bull.
I just can't tell until it's
It won't come
near
in.
the boat. It will.
Jake,
You pump it.
try
Go up
It
with
will
it.
not come in.
Watch it.
Jake, can I
Watch
try?
watch what he does.
Trust me, it's heavy, Zach.
Oh shit! Is it stuck?
No, no.
Am I allowed to try? Yeah, but it's heavy.
Because there is good bottom there that it could get you stuck on. If it is, we'll go after it.
I'm not joking.
To me, it looked like it's stuck.
It might be stuck.
You guys hold on to this, please.
Oh, if it's stuck.
Yeah.
It has to be a fish because it was running.
You see it moving?
Didn't it go to the right?
Yeah, try it.
I don't know if it is or if the boat is.
That hurt my crotch.
I almost feel like we're on the bottom.
But isn't it a fish?
Definitely a fish. I'll tell you that.
Oh no, it started off as a fish, but it could be the bottom now.
Zach, hold on.
There it goes. I can feel movement on there.
It's fat, isn't
Maybe
it?
it was just a really fat nurse shark.
It is. Zach, it's, you don't understand how fat it is.
I know.
It has no muscle, it's fat.
There's no way
battery's dying. Get him in quick. Is he still stuck?
Nope.
Oh, there he is right there.
I don't think he was stuck.
There he is.
Nurse shark.
No, no nurse shark. Nurse sharks aren't that color. He's gray.
Are we tagging it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's a black tip.
He might be.
No, I saw a black tip.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything. He might be a bull shark. They have black
they have
tips
black?
on the tail.
Oh.
That is a. I'll tell you in a minute. Look at that. He's dragging something behind him.
Oh,
It's something.
That might be the bait. He just got. Poor guy didn't even get the bait.
Somebody grabbed the other camera.
Oh, he's tiny. Well, he's not tiny. He's fat. He's not
Not
as
what she
big,
said.
not as big as the lemon.
What is that? That's a bull.
Yeah, it's a bull. Go ahead.
The bait? How's he got the bait hanging?
Yeah, I know, it's weird. That might be another bait from before.
oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding.
See, he ran into the
That's
line
usually what
before. That's a
happens
different
when you
line.
get a
See how that blue line he's got in his mouth?
Oh yeah, somebody else's.
Yeah, it was
Is that
mine
ours?
earlier. Yeah. Good, maybe I can get my leader back.
Is that the one that
We're gonna
took
tag
us-
him, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the one that took us earlier?